This presentation was created for those that do not have a caption resource on their campus, but it also makes for an excellent Plan B for those that do, as well as for students that need to create a presentation submission. This demonstration uses Screencast-O-Matic for screen and webcam recording purposes. The streaming platform that is demonstrated is YouTube. There are many screen capture options, so don't feel as though you are limited to this one. Like many tools, Screencast-O-Matic offers a free option. Free options usually come with some limitations. In this case, the main restriction is that you are limited to 15 minutes of recording time. This really isn't a bad thing though. If you lecture for 45 or 50 minutes, try to split it up into shorter sections. The 15-minute limitation might really end up being a great thing. Begin by visiting screencast-o-matic.com. Click Start Recording. And if this is the very first time you've ever visited the site, download the free recorder. Decide whether or not you'd like to share your screen, your webcam, or both. If you choose both, you will be able to move your webcam around to any spot within the recording area. If you select your entire screen, you can shrink down the window that your presentation is in and then put your webcam off to the side. Sometimes you have to go a little off topic and talk about some other things, and it's nice for them to be able to look at you. And or find a spot on the screen that has some open space. We're looking at the analytics on my YouTube channel. I also wanted to show quickly that when you engage with your mouse and move it around on the screen, perhaps to point something out, you can get a little yellow circle that's in the free version, so you can call out things on your screen. What's really nice about showing your students your webcam is that it breaks up the monotony of them just looking at words on a screen. They're able to see your expressions, and you'll be able to deliver content more effectively that doesn't just rely on bullet points or a specific visual. Find a quiet location and just get yourself on camera and get used to it. Once you've made your choices about how you want to arrange your screen, select your microphone and begin recording. You can pause, resume, preview, and restart. When you are done talking, click Pause. Then click Done. At that point, Screencast-O-Matic will ask you what you want to do next. Do you want to save the video or trim it? When you select Save, you will be asked if you want to publish it to YouTube, save it as an MP4, or publish it to Screencast-O-Matic. I'm saving it as an MP4, which is a file type that is appropriate to upload to YouTube, which is where we're going next. If you don't have a YouTube account, you're going to need one. You have to open a Google account in order to get one. Visit youtube.com and click Sign In. Select Individual and create your account. When your account is ready, you will be notified. You can upload an image of yourself. I uploaded an image of stained glass for my profile image. Now you'll need to get used to the process of uploading to YouTube. YouTube is not any different than any other interface in that it does change from time to time. Look for the icon that resembles a video camera and click on it. You'll see two options, Live and Upload. Select Upload. On the screen that opens after that, you can drag your file into that area or click Select File and look for it in one of your folders. The upload process will begin, and you will see its progress at the bottom of the screen. The title defaults to whatever your file name was, and you can change it. Describe your video in a few words, then move through the required screens: Detail, Video Elements, and Visibility. You can do all this while your file is uploading and processing. I always skip past Elements and go right to Screen Visibility. This is one of the things that's probably on your mind. Who will be able to see your video? Unlisted is satisfactory for many people. What that means is, yes, your video has been uploaded to YouTube and you can share the link. Anyone with the link can watch your video. But your video would not be discovered by someone who is just searching for it. They need the link to see it. The upload process may be quick or it may take a little while, depending on the size of your file and your internet connection. When processing is done, watch your video and turn on closed captions to see what type of job YouTube's machine captioning did. It has improved over the years. And if you recorded in a quiet place, if you were close to your microphone, and you took extra care to speak clearly and slowly, you might be surprised at what a great job YouTube captioning did. Find all of your uploads by clicking on your image and then selecting YouTube Studio. If you need to edit your captions, look along the left side of the screen in the YouTube Studio environment. You'll notice Channel Dashboard, Video Playlist, Analytics, and Subtitles. Click on Subtitles and then click on the name of the video that you plan on editing captions for. The next screen says Video Subtitles at the top, and below that you will see English Automatic at one side of the screen, and at the opposite side of the screen you will see Published. Click on Published Automatic. That will open up the editing interface. You will see timing and words on the left, and your video will be on the right, and underneath that will be bars that you can move back and forth to adjust the timing. Everything will be grayed out until you click Edit. That unlocks all the text fields so that you can get right in there and change words or add some punctuation or whatever other improvements you want to make to the auto captions. If you press play, you will hear your narration, and you can move those little bars around to adjust the timing. When you're done with all your changes, save your changes and publish them. Your new edited subtitles will replace the subtitles that were called automatic. Spend some time playing around with this process. Use your favorite screen capture program or Screencast-O-Matic, save your lecture as an MP4, upload it to YouTube and check the captions. And get in and try to edit your captions so you see how it's done. Thank you for watching.